Hey guys, welcome to this video and it's time to unbox Fitbit Versa 2. So this is the new smartwatch from Fitbit and it has got some new features. It has been beefed up by Fitbit. So we now have Amazon Alexa here. So there's built-in assistant here, and then we have store and play music ability here and Fitbit Pay, and obviously it comes with all the fitness tracking abilities of Fitbit tracker. Now with Amazon Alexa on board, there would be a mic and a speaker on this watch. So I'm hoping that you also have the ability to make and receive calls from the watch, but I'm not sure yet. So we're gonna have to test that. But anyways, let's unbox this and see what's in here. Okay, actually there is an easier way to do that. So we just do that and do that, and that's simple. And we now have, oh, okay, so that's the watch. We have got a matte black band here, and we have, so there we go. That's the watch itself. Looks pretty similar to the first gen Fitbit Versa. So we're gonna put this aside for a while, go through the box. Okay, and then we have an extra band, a longer one if you need that. And then looks like we have a charger. So there is, actually I wasn't a fan of the Fitbit Versa charger, the original one, because it's just clunky and it's not easy to use. And I think this one is also pretty similar. So what you have to do is you have to just press these and then put the watch in and match these pins, and then release this, and then the watch fixes and then starts to charge. So this is a bit clunky method of charging your watch, but anyway, we have this here. So let's put all of this aside and talk about the watch. So we have replaceable bands here. They are, I don't know if they are 22 or 20. They seem like they are 22 millimeter. It's taking some time to start up. There it is. Okay, so I'm gonna have to download the Fitbit app on the phone and then connect it. So I'm gonna go through that and then come back. Hey guys, finally I'm all set up and the watch is now connected to my phone and the Fitbit app. So let's try this out. So press and hold the button to access a preset shortcut. Change shortcut for left button in settings. Okay, so let's press and hold it then. So you can press and hold it to either launch Alexa or Fitbit Pay. So I'm gonna set it up to Alexa for now, and then swipe down on display to see all other features. You can change shortcut in settings. Okay, use this power move to access your shortcut anytime. Okay, so we swipe down for notifications and control center. Okay, and then you can see all your apps when you swipe left, and there's nothing when you swipe right. So swipe down to go to the notification panel and shortcuts, swipe up to see your agenda, and then tap this button to go back, and tap and hold to launch Alexa. Now I have to set it up and connect it to my Amazon account first on the phone, and then I'll be able to use Alexa and do stuff. So it turns out there is only a microphone on the watch, there is no speakers, so You can't receive calls or talk on the watch itself. It's just a microphone, so you can talk to Alexa and then it will do stuff for you on the watch. So that's about it from this video, guys. That was the unboxing of Fitbit Versa 2. If you have any questions about it, let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.